Hello, today is Thursday, Science Day, and we're going to do Skill 2, flower arranging. I'm hoping that you will plant flowers around your house to cut. So today we are going to cut some roses. Well, if you don't have flowers outside, please use fresh flowers. Fake flowers just don't have the same energy that the fresh flowers have. So fresh flowers often come with some, it's called aspirin. And you'll just put the flowers in the water. And let the individuals do this, okay? Have a vase for each person. And let them arrange the flowers and put them throughout the house. And if you don't have room on their dresser or bathroom, bathrooms are fun, it reflects off the mirror, then put it on your table and make a group arrangement. Don't leave them in the plastic, please. Have each person touch the flowers. They can even make a simple arrangement of just one. Enjoy flower arranging. Bye-bye.